Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Whether you can have a web developer in your company or you have to do it by yourself, designing and developing a website from scratch takes valuable time. If you are interested in finding a definite solution where you can have different website templates for your websites and landing pages, you will love what we will show you next. In today's video, we will talk about Mockups, a cloud-based visual collaboration platform designed to help companies build websites and mobile apps. But before we go any further, don't forget that SoftwareTrailers.com constantly offers the latest collection of software on the web. We will leave a special link in the description below to access this and other great digital tools. Now, let's dive into Mockups. Mockups is a visual collaboration tool that helps you create visual products for various purposes, including whiteboards, design components, and diagrams. It also allows firms to plan, collaborate, improve project management, streamline operations, and track progress. Mockups can help many types of organizations working on complex projects. Mockups alignment tools allow users to perform numerous activities. In addition, its template kits let users combine items from the built-in library, including icons, fonts, shapes, and widgets, to create unique designs. The key elements of UX wireframes are size, placement, and interface relationship. Wireframes let your team make early judgments about user flow, information hierarchy, and page density. A wireframe template uses simple shapes and lorem ipsum text as placeholders for future design features. Before thinking about branding, you can play around with the template, reach a consensus, and uncover critical requirements. Unlike wireframes, a good product mockup expands on that crude picture to show more complicated content and fundamental functionality. You can easily prepare fully interactive prototypes and design testing with UI mockup templates. You can also choose one of its ready-made themes to rapidly create a high-quality image of your future app or website, so you can show off the final design's look, feel, and emotional impact, and get critical stakeholders' buy-in before it goes live. If you like what you hear about Mockups, check out a link to buy their services in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of other great videos about software like this one. Now, let's continue with Mockups. If you'd like to monitor your sales and website traffic more effectively, you can manage Mockups' admin dashboard wireframe templates to meet your needs. Besides, dashboards for business intelligence allow you to monitor your team's performance in real time. Additionally, departments can answer important questions, make well-informed decisions, and take effective action by tracking trends and visualizing information. The Mockups Wireframe Bundle is a great place to begin designing your admin dashboard, including a collection of templates for sales, visitors, sidebars, and new user templates. It's as simple as clicking on a wireframe template to open the Mockups app and start modifying it to fit your needs. Building an online store from scratch is never simple. However, with the correct tools and assistance, the procedure is significantly faster. A wireframe design for an e-commerce website shows the critical pages of your online business. Wireframes are vital for e-commerce design since they let you visualize the site's main structure early on. Before investing precious resources into the final design, you can ensure that the website is user-friendly, easy to use, and effective from a user journey perspective. The Mockups e-commerce wireframe templates include home, shop, product, cart, shipping, and payment. These templates are meant to help you create your most crucial pages. Besides, a well-structured website should reflect your industry understanding and long-term aspirations. The Mockups e-commerce sitemap template can be used to assist your team in developing that framework. You can create an online store as soon as you sign up for a free Mockups account and customize these e-commerce wireframe templates at any time. Additionally, you can drastically increase conversions by including payment funnels, simple shopping cart buttons, shipping, and payment options. A landing page wireframe template helps your team see the page key elements and serves as a starting point for changes and iterations. Any startup or well-established company's landing page should be eye-catching, intriguing, and action-oriented. Effective landing pages generate leads, increase brand visibility, and improve SEO. In addition, Mockups Wireframe templates may help your team plan and create landing pages that enhance traffic and value to your website. Additionally, your own landing page wireframe can be created in minutes using Mockups. Examples of pages featuring both image and embedded video are included in any of Mockups' plans. If you like what you heard about Mockups, check out the link in the description below. Also, if you like this software video, feel free to check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers and subscribe to our social media channels. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.